Hello and welcome back to a new video in my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's inside this panel in the Java. So here's the key. I'm just going to put it here, turn it opens up. It has a toolkit and the first aid kit. You can put it back, and similarly on the other side we have the battery and the fuse. Let me show you. Here it is. That's the battery, the fuse, and perhaps the CDI. I don't want to touch any of these wires. They are very critical components and sensors. It might cause a lot of problem if I lose any one of these. And that's it. And now I'm going to show you how smooth the engine is. Now, a few people have commented that the engine is not good. It's not that refined and smooth, but I don't agree with it, because all new bikes need some time to get used to it, and that's the reason why I'm trying to show you this video. This is the engine, this is the head, the Java logo, and inside this head there are critical components like valves and oil seals. Now these oil seals are made up of rubber, which are very high quality and takes some time to get free to run smoother. So today I am going to show you one such challenge. Turn it on. I am going to place this 5 rupees coin on the seat and try to balance it. I hope that stays and doesn't falls off. See, it's very difficult to do it. That's it. And now I will fire up the engine. There you go. Engine is running. And the coin is balanced. It's not falling off. This clearly shows how smooth the engine is. Look at that. Look at that. Engine is running. Engine is running. Engine is running. I'm revving the engine now. Engine is running. I'm revving. You see, the coin is still there. It's not falling. Now that shows how smooth the Java engine is. Return the handle. So those who raise a question on the smoothness of the engine, I should tell them that this is Look at that. Engine is running. Coin doesn't fall. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. How smooth the engine is. Engine is still running. Engine is running. Coin doesn't fall. Let me turn it off. Engine turned off. Coin doesn't fall. So those who raise questions on the smoothness of the engine, I should tell you that this is the best engine ever built by any motorcycle company in India. That's all for the day. Goodbye.